Wow, look at this. Lobster pizza. Ooh. Each piece has a giant lobster claw. Again, jalapenos, green peppers, olives this time, tons of melty cheese, and also a tater tot underneath the claw of lobster. If you're in Korea right now, or if you're thinking about coming here on your way here, whatever your situation is, this needs to be near or at top of your food bucket list. I mean, I love the lobster pizza, but the beef one is just gonna blow your mind away. Like right now, I'm pretty sure I have no mind. The cheese is high quality and it's crushed. K-pop groups should be writing songs about this crust. It's just pure air. This makes me want to try every other pizza in this place.